Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Breaking news. Tamva maripoti akuti government, outgoing government ya Chakwera is looting state house kulilongwe. They are killing nyama za kumpanda. They are chopping down trees. Akupanga alisiamaza tapo on in all houses. Let me warn you. We called for a government of national reconciliation. We called a government of order and discipline. We called a constitutional government. This is a constitutional government. This is why they are still in the State House. Remember 2020, when Chakwera was declared a winner, Mutharika immediately left the State House, Sanjika, for Mangochi and finished house, and he went there and he occupied and finished house. But we have created order and discipline in this country to say, no, 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 no. There must be a proper handing over. And if the MCP guys are doing that, Chakwera, let me warn you, you'll be arrested, you'll be put in prison. We don't care who is going to say what. We are going to arrest you, Chakwera. And if we wanted to respect you, we wanted to honor you, we wanted to make you our hero. But what you are doing is quite contrary. Discipline your people. Because now we'll be instructing the police, whoever is still there will be shot dead. And we don't want to shoot them all. And it is not good that we should silently shoot them. But we know them. We know them. We have their pictures, those who are doing it. We have all their details. We don't want to get at you or we don't want to shoot you and kill you. No, 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 no. You are our brothers. You are fellow Malawians. We need to respect you. We need to actually, there must be that respect. But if you are doing this because you want to destroy the incoming in government, we are warning you. Today, get out of that state house. Tomorrow, we don't want to see anybody in that state house. If you are still there, police, please shoot them. Shoot them, shoot to kill. Kill them because they are animals. Kill them because they are people who are there to destroy state properties. And we are aware that they are even taking glasses, rocks, rim rocks, toilet sinks. They are taking everything, sheet bed, curtains. They are taking them. They are stealing them. We will get them all, no matter where you are going to hide them. We will get at you. We know who you are. We know these ladies, these prostitutes who were in the state house there. We know them and we know where they're staying. We know how to get at them. We know the locations in the long way. They will be secretly fished out of the houses at night and without even a neighbor knowing that we are fishing them out. It will be a normal operation that you have never seen in the entire life of this country. We are warning you now. We are warning you now. We are warning you, stop looting state, properties, state coffers, state whatever money that is left there. We are warning you not to do it. All state cars, individual cars that you have been driving must stop. You must stop driving them, take them to OPC. And if you don't take them to OPC, by next week, we'll consider you a thief, we'll consider you that you have stolen these vehicles, and we will deal with you accordingly. I was for a politics of national reconciliation. I was for politics of not retribution, politics of unity and patriotism. That is what I've been advocating. But what is happening now with the Chakwera boys, with you, Chakwera, is unprecedented. We have never seen a president, starting from Bakiri, he never uprooted, he never destroyed the state properties. He humbly had gone to a house that he built and he left everything intact for the incoming president. And that was Bingo Wamtarika. But now, what you are doing, so too with Joyce Banda. Joyce Banda left everything that belongs to the state. So too with Peter. Peter never took anything concerning properties or properties that are state properties. But Chakwera, Chonde, stop your boys. Go and inspect what your boys are doing. Please, 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 please. Achakwera, Muzakara, Ifeyo, we thought would actually sort of promote you, would actually make you a hero. But what you're doing now is beyond that. What has Peter done to warrant such treatment? What has Professor Peter Mutharika done to warrant such treatment? To warrant such, I mean, I can't comprehend this. I cannot comprehend this. Achakwera, Karidwan Rotona, I thought you were Mbusa. Mde mkwasi ya Nyamata nukutaziba zose za State House. Mbare, Mapoto, Masupuni, Mukuba, Mupita na manyumba mwanu. We will get them. Wherever they are, we will get them. And hey, timu imene kubwera, kaya mauchita ku Rwanda, will destroy them. Now it is, once they are found, we are going to kill them. We are not going to spare them, we are going to kill them. And they should be warned now, wherever you are, whether you're from Rwanda, we are going to kill you. Once you are found, we are going to kill you. We are going to kill you, and we are going to make that you eat your own bodies. That's what we are going to do. Because this, we cannot take this anymore. We thought Malawi is a peaceful country. We thought Malawi is for all of us. We thought Malawi, we are brothers and sisters here in Malawi. But what you are doing is that behavior is uncalled for. That behavior is an animal behavior. Chakwera, stop your boys. Stop your boys now before it is too late. Is this what you were planning? Is this what you were planning? That you should be doing this? Zikusalira anitwa chikulire ndukuze. Peter alibe nanu chifukwa china chilichonse ai. Peter loves you. He loves you all. Peter is there for you all. Peter is not there to destroy you. Peter is there to protect you. But what you are doing is quite strange. What you are doing is unprecedented in the history of politics in Malawi. You are doing something quite opposite. We expected you to be professional, above political board, somebody that is a father and fatherly love that you demonstrate. That is what we're expecting. Anya Gondwe, is this how your husband would behave? No, 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 no. Chakwera, condemn this. Take an immediate action, condemn this. Nyama zose zimena apazo, na Yesu apedwa. Hey, we will not spare him. We will kill him. And we will kill them, which we didn't want to do. We wanted a Malawi that is peaceful, a Malawi that is loving, a Malawi that is God-fearing, a Malawi that would actually set example in the SADC region, that transition, the way how to hand over power is that beautiful, is that godly, it has the Holy Spirit, it has God in heaven and the blood of Jesus, that we are brothers. We can work together. We can forget our differences and make Malawi a loving place to live in, a loving country to stay in, a loving country that people visit, a loving country that is for the Constitution. We want to promote a culture of constitutionalism in this country. We don't want anarchy. Anarchy cannot build anything. We therefore urge you to immediately stop your boys who are looting state properties. They're stealing state properties. Some of them that have gone to UK will ask UK government to bring them back. Some understand in 2 days' time they'll be leaving for Nigeria, where SPC wants to go. We will bring you back, no matter where you go, whether in Zimbabwe, we'll bring you back. We'll send the people to bring you back. We'll send people to monitor you wherever you'll be, and you'll be brought back. And some of you MPs that were part of the routing of state resources and money, trillion, I said it, trillions and trillions are stolen. It's not 3 trillion. It's 4 to 5 trillion kwacha that has been stolen. We'll get it back. Wherever it will be, we'll get it back. You, some of you, you are members of parliament. You were part of this looting. You were part of this plunder. We will arrest you. We will arrest you, not spare you. because you have to give back all what you stole. I didn't want to make this VN because I said the VN that we have done, we have done. Now we were waiting for glory days, for glory. That is what we were waiting. But this has prompted me to say something because it's too much for Malawi. 4-5 trillion stolen, and you are stealing state properties. You are destroying state Kamuzu Palace in Lilongwe, stealing rim rocks, stealing glasses, stealing window frames, stealing curtains, stealing pots, stealing plates, stealing spoons. This we cannot tolerate. No, 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 no. Even in America, when they hand over, they don't experience this. In Zambia, they do not experience this. In Tanzania, they don't experience this. In Mozambique, they don't experience this. In South Africa, they don't experience this. In Botswana, they don't experience this. In Zimbabwe, they do not experience this. Why Malawi? Why? 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 Chakwera? Why? Stop your boys. Stop your boys. You don't have no MP in parliament. Those who are new ones, yes, we'll tolerate them. But the old ones, we know what contracts they were given. They were even given 20 million as a starter pack to start campaigning. That was state money. They were paid for their fees for the Malawi Electoral Commission. That money came from the state coffers. We know how much thereafter they have stolen maize. There's maize White House in Cape Makilian. There's maize White House in Banje, in Sheu. Those are the people who were distributing. Maize in Malawi, in Blantyre here, they were distributing. And some of these members of parliament, shadow members of parliament, they were distributing maize. We will arrest all of you. You will be arrested, and we know where you took this maize from. And we need you to repay each and everything that you stole. You have to pay it back. I am sorry, and I am sad that this country can degenerate into such state. I am very, 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 very sad indeed. I didn't want to make a VN that would sound critical, that would sound out of touch with the realities of politics or contemporary politics in Malawi. I am so sad. Chonde chonda kumudwa kwambiri. Tampasani mpata Professor Thapita Mtarika to come up with a cabinet that will be looking at national development, that will be looking at economic development, that will be looking at economic progression or progress, that will be looking at economic, economic growth that each and every Malawian should be able to appreciate. We want free education, secondary education. We want quotas and vouchers for our students in various universities in the country. We want a Malawi that has 100 million kwacha, a loan for the youth, each and every constituency. 100 million kwacha, a loan for women, each and every constituency. We want 5 billion that has to go each and every constituency. We want to decentralize management, government, public management to the locals. Local should own the management of this country, of their values, of their constituencies, of their districts, of their region. That is what we want. We want a Malawi that is loving. Once again, like what I've said before, izi zanokumudwisa kwambiri, and the pressure achakwera msapange zinthu zotero yayi. That's why Chilima namwalira. Anthu inu ndino achabe koma zonse zimveka zonse, and whoever was involved, because I'm told one of the MPs that is in parliament today was involved, or 2 or 3 of them, they were involved in actually killing him, physically killing him, and they were there witnessing the death of a giant of Malawi, Saulos Klaus Chilima. Doctor, may your soul rest in peace. Once again, good afternoon.